I'm Manimegli Vijayarangan. I'm fine and I'm in the pink of health, and I'm sure even you all are in the pink of health too. நான் நல்ல ஆரோக்கியமா சந்தோஷமா இருக்கேன். நீங்களும் எல்லாரும் நல்ல ஆரோக்கியமா சந்தோஷமா இருக்கீங்களா? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the same word as different parts of speech. For example, say you have the word water. It can be used as a noun, it can be used as a verb, it can be used as an adjective. It's very important from examination point of view. See, for example, in this sentence, I have used water as a noun. So noun means, it's a name of a person, place, animal or thing, isn't it? Now see the example. I need water to drink. Here water is the name of a thing, isn't it? So it is used as a noun. So in the exam they will give like this, and in the bracket they will give change water as a verb. So how will you change it? You can change like this. I like to water the plants every day. You must water the plants every day. Here water is used as a verb. It's an action word here. Similarly, the same word water can be used as an adjective. So what's an adjective? First you should know that. It's a word which describes a noun. It comes before a noun. Just have in mind like that. So how can you change it? We have built a new water tank in our house. Here tank is noun and water is used as an adjective, isn't it? So I have got a new water bottle. Here bottle is noun and water is used as an adjective. So this is how you should have a clear idea about noun, verb, adjective. Now I'll just call out some sentences and you have to name them first. You identify them as noun, verb and adjective, where it is used as noun and where it is used as adjective, like that, okay? I'll use the word watch. Number 1, my father bought a new expensive watch for me. I watch TV every day in the evening. We have appointed a new watchman. Don't watch me like a spy. The doctor advised me to drink milk daily. The farmer milked the cow in the evening. I asked my dad to buy me a milkshake. I do not know how to milk a cow.